Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps freezing on the application of REDnote. We go to settings. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will scrolling down until you find this application of REDnote and you will enter here. REDnote app. You will click in this page. Then in this window of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. After that, you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.